Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I got me another VIOFO dash cam. This one right here, brand new to the market. So I did two dash cam from them already. They actually asked me to review this one because this one has a screen. The other two that I reviewed did not have a screen, and so I'm pretty excited to see how nice the screen is, because obviously if you can't just always use your phone, right? And so this one right here, yeah, this model A119 Mini 2 has a screen. So excited about this one. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna unbox this, and then we're gonna install it in my car, do a little driving, and then let's see how the quality is too, okay? Alrighty. Oh, okay. Can we just compare real quick? So if you look at this picture right here, I'm thinking like it's pretty big, right? But it does say mini. Look at this. That's tiny. It says this is a GPS module right here. So when it's installed on your mirror or windshield like this right here can go up and down. All right, what else is in the box here? Got some user manual, read before installation. There's some screen protector-ish on here. Okay, interesting. And all the installation cords that you need. This one right here is just regular USB-C, but then this right here is the super long USB-C that you can, well, install around your car. It's pretty easy, actually, guys. I just started doing this, and I noticed every single car you can just like tuck the cables. It's real easy to do. They even included these little thing right here where you can just like pry a little bit and push these cables in. Yeah. What else? Oh, extra adhesive. Even comes with a cigarette lighter adapter if you need one of those. Some of the older car doesn't have USB, so that's why they included that. All right, so you're gonna need a little micro SD card going over here, but let's go ahead and plug this thing in, and let's take a look at the quality real quick before I run out there and install it. So you got, voice prompts and things like that to tell you. You can see it's recording right now. So let's take a look here. Let's see if I can record this and then show you guys. So this does have the new Sony sensor. I believe they call it the Starvis 2. Yeah, it's supposed to be the new sensor. That's the reason why like some of the dash cam you find now can do 2K. Because the sensor is upgraded now. So this has the latest sensor in there. I have used some of these dash cam that has this sensor before, and it's great. The quality is very crisp and clear. You can actually see license plates in here when you view it. Anyway, we are going to go and do a little driving on this, but I need to install this in my car and see how it is. Okay, so look like there are some buttons on here. Let's say if you don't want the mic to be on, so you see how the mic is blue right now, you can just press that button. Disabled. It will disable the mic so that there's no recording, in case you're sensitive about what's being recorded in your car, the conversation, that kind of stuff. So that's nice that they have that. Very nice feature right there, because it's just continuously recording, right? And it doesn't know what is a crash and what not. So maybe in the future it'll has AI detecting that kind of stuff, but right now it doesn't know. I do like the fact that there's a few different just physical buttons on here. So recording, if you want it to stop recording, that kind of stuff. Not sure the whole beeping thing though, it's kind of annoying. So let me see here. I'm going to go through the menu and see if I can turn some of those beeping thing off. So it's pretty cool. It has a lot of options on here. Right here is saying that there are parking G sensor. Basically what that means is that when you're parking and the car shakes a little bit, it's going to start recording. Let's see here, parking motion detection. So if it's parking and it sees a little motion in front, it's going to start recording that, right? There's time-lapse recording, which I've never really used on dash cam before. But yeah, motion detection, basically anytime that there's a motion in front of the camera, it's just going to keep recording it. GPS. So here's the GPS right here. I'm going to go ahead and say on. All the little settings that I did on the camera itself, I can actually do it on the app here, which is a lot easier, right? To use your phone to actually do the setting. So I do recommend that you connect to the app and then do all the settings in there. So within here, this is what I have recorded. Okay guys, so next thing, let's go ahead and install this thing into my car and let's go from driving. Let's see some real world scenario on how this thing would look, right? Outside, let's go.